What's going on, guys? Today in this video I will be discussing how to develop business credit. I will be doing a 5-part series on this. Make sure you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, one of the first things I want to tell you guys is building business credit is free, okay? Now, yes, you have to go through Dun & Bradstreet, but they're going to try to talk you into getting a whole bunch of nonsense. Trust me, it's free. You see this? Credit signal? That's the only thing you need. Credit signal. All this other stuff, credit monitoring, credit evaluator plus, you don't need any of this nonsense. All you need is credit signal, and you need to use their Dun & Bradstreet number. That's it. All this other nonsense you do not need. Trust me, building business credit is free. Okay. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to get a DUNS number. Now, before you get a DUNS number, you are going to have an actual business, and you're going to need to have an EIN number. An EIN number is pretty much an employee identification number. Now, this is used for tax purposes, and it's pretty much like your social security number for your business. All right. You're going to have to be registered with your state, of course, and preferably pick between an LLC, a S Corp. I wouldn't advise sole proprietorship. I'm not even sure if you can actually get a DUNS number with a sole proprietorship, but I have an S Corp in the city of New York. Now, here's the actual application that you're going to need to fill out for the DUNS number. They pretty much ask you your business name, your street address, your zip code, etc., etc. Right now, I'm just typing in whatever so you guys can see the process. I have a DUNS number already for my business, which is technically a holding company, and I'll be showing you guys that a little bit later. I won't be showing you the address. Don't want y'all knowing where I live at. Now, once you sign up for Credit Signal from Dun & Bradstreet, you'll pretty much be able to see everything about your business. You'll be able to see the paydex score, you'll be able to see the delinquency predictor, you'll be able to see the financial stress score as well. Okay. Now, these scores, other companies are going to be used to judge how much money they give your company, or how much leverage they give your company, or if they even decide to give your company anything at all. Now, this is actually my business, a new business that I started in 2020. It's primarily going to be used as my holdings, but I also have another business that I registered way back in 2018. That's going to be used for my real estate business. Now, that real estate business is basically going to have full control over everything, all of my properties. All right. It's going to be utilizing net 30 accounts, which is why I need a DUNS number. Okay. Now, a DUNS number is basically you have 30 days from the date of purchase to basically play that amount in full. Now, there's also net 60 accounts as well. But one of the ways I plan on utilizing a net 30 account, for example, is, let's say I purchased some real estate in 2021, right? Now it needs a little rehab. I can actually use a net 30 or a net 60 account, and from Home Depot or Lowe's, and actually not to have to pay them back immediately. That right there is a huge reason why we want to build business credit, guys, especially if you're trying to get involved in real estate. Now, this is part 1 of a 5-part series about how to build business credit. What this is called is getting a DUNS number, okay? Part 2 is going to be called getting vendors, all right? Now, if you want more content, if you like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Part 2 will be coming out very soon. All right, I'm out.